Jake, what just happened? And keep warning out that a monster has escaped from the facility. What we're gonna do? I don't know. Send the emergency alarm system. Okay.
The following messages has been the request of the United States of America and New York City Police Department. This is not a test. Our country has been under attack by a creature. His name is Junior Thompson, and he's attacking our country, and he brought some characters, such as Lightning McQueen eggs, Siren Head, Sonic eggs, Aardvark eggs, Mickey Error, Freddy, the Swarm of Bees, Sonic, Mario, Yoshi, Talls, Dr. Golden, Charge, XJ9, and SpongeBob, and he submitted EF6 Tornado, and he submitted an asteroid that's gonna strike Earth in the next 2 hours. All residents, wherever you are, get friends and families and loved ones, and parry for the end. This is Tom, I'm the EAS, signing off for the final time. God bless American, and God bless the world.